Hey, Mr. G here, and we're going to be going over the D minor open chord. D minor open chord. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the D minor open chord is D, F, and A. D being the first, F being the third, flatted, right? It would be F sharp if it was a major, but since it's flatted, that F sharp becomes an F. So the third's an F, and then A being the fifth. So D, F, and A. And this is what it looks like. We're going to play that D note. We're just going to leave it open. On the third string, with our middle finger, we're going to play the A note, which is on the third string, second fret. Then, on the second string, with our ring finger, we're going to play that third fret, which is a D. And then, on the first string, we'll use our index finger and play the F. First string, index finger on the first fret, that F. And then we'll play them all together. So you strum it. And then you want to play those notes individually. And once in a while, the fifth and sixth string, we're not going to really play them at all, but that fifth string, you could play that open A over it. It sounds kind of cool, but for the most part, you usually just play those bottom four strings. Well, hey, that's your D minor open chord. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I hope you enjoyed it.